So now I'd like to give a little overview of the software. So firstly, on a TurboVap LV, we have manual mode, which means the system will just run and run until a user presses stop. And then we can move to timed mode, which is how most end users are going to be operating the system. So here we can see we've got a 1 minute time setting, and this is how you change the time to 10 minutes. And you can see that's now been taken by the software. I'm going to flick back to 1 minute for the purpose of this short video. And here is where you'd set your gas flow. We're operating in litres per minute. The change in the gas flow is accomplished by using these touchscreen arrows. And then of course we've got to set the water bath temperature. I'm going to set it to 35 degrees. And you can see now we've got the red light blinking to indicate that the water bath is heating. Once that reaches 35 degrees, we'll get a pop-up on the screen that tells you that we're up to operating temperature. And then when it actually comes to running samples, you may not have a full rack that you want to process. So to toggle individual rows on and off is accomplished via the touchscreen again. We're in TurboVap 2 mode. We've got individual vial control here with endpoint detection. And again, as with the LV product, you've got the ability to toggle on or off individual cells for evaporation. So here's the typical screen that you'd see for gradient and method setup. Within this method, we've got the gas flow starting at 1 litre a minute for the first 5 minutes. And then in step 2, we can change to 2 litres a minute for a further 10 minutes. And then finally, on step 3, to move up to 3.5 litres a minute for 2 minutes. And then, of course, you can save this method. So we've now set up a very basic method. So if I hit start, you can see that we've got processing time indicated on this touch screen. We've got a read back of the set gas flow. This is another feature I want to show you guys. Using these thumb screws here in real time, you can adjust the position of the nozzles to get the optimum evaporative process occurring. Just 1 second remaining. So you can see we've got the pop-up to indicate the evaporation is finished, and the water bath light has changed colour, green to indicate that the run is completed.